This is Dr. ShikhaDatta. I'm back with the next video on investigative reports. In the previous video, we discussed about feasibility reports. Now, investigative report is written as an outcome of an inquiry conducted either by an individual or a committee. An expert or experts who are impartial and neutral are authorized to investigate the cause, nature, and impact of problem and suggest ways and means of solving it, as well as ensure that it does not recur in future. Accident reports are examples of investigate reports. The report submitted by various high-powered commissions set up by government to inquire into scam, corruption, charges, air and rail accidents are the examples of investigative reports. Elements of an investigative report can vary in size and scope depending on the types of allegations and complexity of a particular case. Lesser complaints of harassment will result in a basic disciplinary action by an HR department, generally require fewer elements than a larger multifaceted insurance fraud case destined for the court system. That said, in general, all reports will include some form of the following elements. First is cover page. Generally, the very first element of an investigative report is cover page of case summary. In this private investigation context, this page should include a summary of all the relevant cases, information in a concise format. Information that should appear on the page includes the case number, date, location of the incident, all relevant contact and information and any other relevant case references, information for employees' cases commissioned by a business. This would likely include things like employee's name, ID number, job code, email address, and any other identifying employees information required by the company. Executive summary is the most important piece of an investigative report. It is also the most read. It should also provide a complete yet concise and picture of the particular complaint or allegation, the scope of the investigation activities, a summary of the findings, and a conclusion. This summary should answer all of the main questions that a person or organization will have about a particular case, such as what happened, who was involved, where did the incident occur, when did it occur, how was the investigation conducted, what did the investigation find, does the evidence support the complaint or allegation, what course of action is recommended. Allegation summary. The allegation summary is the place where you will go into the most detail about the specific complaint or allegation. It will include all the specific details about what happened, who was involved, when it happened, what events led up to the incident, who witnessed it, details of investigation. The section of the report is where most of your documentation and detailed work will go in the report. Here you will carefully, concisely, and completely uh, summarize every aspect of your investigation. Is an easy to go or easy to follow, highly detailed, start to finish way. You will detail every uh, aspects of your investigation, often in chronological order, and present key findings and evidence along the way. Conclusions and recommendations is where we'll wrap up your report with the key evidence that led you to your particular conclusion and the reason why you believe the evidence either does or does not support the particular allegation or complaint. You will also provide any relevant assessments of an individual's credibility, evaluation of the possibilities of the incident, and any other judgment that lead you to interpret the evidence the way that you did. Therefore, you can conclude with that the aim of a business report is to provide critical analysis of how the business is tracking in all areas of the organization. Business reports are important tools to guide decision making and to allow business owners and senior managers the opportunity to investigate and to solve any identified issue